Hey guys, how's it going? Making a quick video on how to change your spark plugs. About the Denso Iridium. Pretty good spark plugs. I already checked them. Most of them are pre-gapped, so you might want to check them. So yeah, tools you're gonna need. Let me see, one of these spark plug things. Is it a half drive? 5/8, I mean. Yeah, one of these 5/8, an extension, ratchet, 13 millimeter socket, and a torque bit. There's a whole bunch of crap you got to take off to do the last two. So of course you take off your cover. Get rid of this little thing that's stuck with the little grommets. Then over here, it's got this little plastic. Take it off. Take off this this weather strip. Then over here, there's a bunch of stuff. This one's right here in the middle. You just slide it over, and it comes off. These got like a little wire thing that goes over it. Just open it, and it's got that these little bolts right here. So like I said, you use your 13. They're not that tight. You just turn them. I think it's counterclockwise, and they come out. Because this one has the sensors. Take that off. There's more over here. There's 3, 1, 2, 3, and of course that one you just loosen it up. You don't really need to take that one off. So you need to take this one off. And you got this little rubber boot. Bend that over, pull it out, and that's that. And this thing just come out. It has a one Torx bit. I forgot what size it is. Let me see. It's a T2. Yeah, you take that T2 screw right there, and that's it. And then you just pull it up from here, and it should just come right off. And now you can see it's all exposed. Yeah, 6 ones exposed. 5th one. Now you can work on them. So I'm gonna make it real short. Just gonna show you one, and then you can just do the same thing, go down the line. These just put them up. What I've seen, you see how this little connection didn't come out? You have to put it down and then squeeze it, and it should come out. Let me see, get a better angle. See, you go up, and it's supposed to kick out, but it doesn't. So you just, squeeze the sides, and see, boom, comes right off. Take the plug off. Then you take your coil, just twist it, and it comes right off. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Yeah, it's super windy outside. Neighbors' wind chimes going crazy. There you go. That's how you do it. It's a little. Yeah, it's not that bad. Got a little oil or something. That's how you do it. Like I said, these I checked them. Always check your spark plugs. Sometimes they say that they're pre-gapped, but just make sure. These are the new ones. The other ones, yeah, those are the original. Never been changed. This Beamer 530i's got 111,000 miles, so I feel like, you know what, might as well change them out. Yeah, there's another thing I gotta change. It's when I bought it, it's got oil in it. It's not supposed to have oil. I don't know if they did the. I doubt they did this valve cover gasket. Or we do that too. You gotta take the whole thing off just to replace this sensor. Is that sitting right? That's it. Put your boot right back in there. It sure sits all the way down. Put your plug. Boom, you're done. Like I said, just go down the line. Smooth these wires out of the way. Well, you got plenty of room. Once you take this cover off, you're good to go. Yeah, I've been putting this on the back burner because I thought it was going to be too much of a deal to take all this crap off, but it's not that hard. Bunch of little, like I said, a bunch of little nuts and a couple screws here and there. Yep, that's how you do it. Spark plugs. Like I said, I use these Denso ones, the iridiums. So once you're done, do everything again. You put this cover on, and then the little plastic right there on the side, your weather strip, and then just put all the pieces. So this one goes in the middle, slides in and out, and this one just pops on right there. And you know, put your beauty cover up on top. You're good to go. All right, hope this helps you out. Take it easy.